People in Atlanta don't work. The apartment tour. In this life, negotiate. Negotiate about every goddamn thing. Y'all don't have movers.
They don't. They find movers as they go.
I'm just saying to me, yeah. Why don't you call and you talk to the girl?
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's just Araba. So today's the day I signed my lease to my new luxury apartment. Okay, we are going up and up and up, but y'all, to be honest with you, I haven't been in the best mood, but I decided to just get a little cute and get ready for this move. I'm either gonna be moving, today's Friday, right? Yeah, I'm either gonna be moving tomorrow or Sunday. I'm still trying to figure that out, but let's do one thing at a time. I am going to go get my money order, go sign my lease, get the keys, and then figure out what we need to do. I'm actually gonna stop at Trader Joe's because I want to buy myself some flowers for my new place. But yeah, let's head out and get this new apartment. Obviously, I'm gonna show you guys an apartment tour, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to show y'all. Y'all, I've been so sad and I just decided, you know what? Let's get cute. So this is what I am wearing. Excuse the mess and the dirty mirror, but this is what I am currently wearing today. This is Honor. Is this Honor Active? Yes, this is Honor Active. And y'all see the back? Okay. Haven't been working out, but back gains is still there. Okay. All right, y'all. Got to the bank and I'm gonna actually grab the money order just to pay for the rent, the prorated rent. If you know, then you know. So let's just head to the bank. So y'all, I just got the cashier's check. It was a total of $1,615.88. This apartment, they require security deposit, so that's like a good chunk of it. I have never honestly put that much as a security deposit, and my credit is good, but I digress. So now we're gonna head to Trader Joe's and just go get some flowers, and then we are gonna sign for our new lease. So let's go.
Stroking my violin, sweet when you sing harmonics when I'm in.
What I ended up getting. Oh, it's Friday, y'all. It is busy out here. People in Atlanta don't work. Got some flowers. I actually ended up stopping by TJ Maxx to get a vase because I forgot to grab a vase for my house. Now let's go actually do what we're meant to do. Sign this damn lease. It's like 10:42. I meant to go there by 10, but it is what it is. It's a beautiful day outside. I think what's the weather right now? Currently 83 degrees. I just wanna
have fun tonight. Wanna thank God for life.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left onto 10th Street Northeast.
I don't know if the light was green.
My body adapt to stranger coming, make I know come. Make I need it and I get it.
Mad because I do not play. I stay on top of my emails. Girl, I just opened this up and I'm like, where did all this come from?
So does that mean you have to just reset it every day then?
16, 15, 88? All right, my girl, I'm ready for it.
You guys, it is official. Your girl is gotten her keys, but I'm gonna just do a really quick apartment tour. Let me make it cold in here. Cool, there we go. Okay, so y'all, oh my God, I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful place. But anyway, let's start with the apartment tour. It's so beautiful. I I could literally put a freaking fake island in here if I wanted to, but that's just too much. I am so excited. This ain't cheap, but I have been working so hard, and I have told myself, like, we're gonna keep going up. In the last 10 months, I've actually been living with my best friend, so I've been saving a good amount of money, and also just paying off my credit card. I'm credit card debt free. Hallelujah. Yeah, I'm gonna film this all over again for TikTok. I'm gonna do like an actual montage, and then I'll just let y'all enjoy this space. I'm excited to share this space, to make more content. Like, I got a grind in here. Not my dream, but one of my dream apartments is having a floor to ceiling window. And we have that. This is a beautiful space. Good lighting, like y'all see the lighting, gorgeous lighting. So it's almost 12. Before I let y'all go, unpopular opinion, I'm not, because I thought to deep clean this place, right? Then I was like, it doesn't make sense to deep clean this place because I'm gonna literally bring dirt back into this place full with my stuff, obviously with moving. My stuff is not dirty, but like put it in a moving truck that carries dust and dirt. So I'm actually going to do like a light cleaning, just wipe down stuff. Also take a look if there's anything that I need to write down. You know, when you move in, always make sure you're writing stuff down. If there's anything that needs to be fixed in the apartment, or yeah, basically that. So when you're moving out, they don't take your security deposit because they thought you messed up something. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm excited to see what this place looks like at night. I just got off the phone with the movers because I'm still trying to get my moving situation figured out. Y'all, so it was either using movers or TaskRabbit. Mind you, I don't live far. Where I currently live is not far away from where I'm moving to. So the movers charged me $420. TaskRabbit is charging me $150 an hour, which is equivalent to $300. You're still saving. So I just called them to cancel. I should have recorded it. And they're like, oh, let me call you back in an hour to see if I can get a better price. Oh, say less. If y'all can get me a better price, say less. Say less, say less, say less. In this life, negotiate. Negotiate about every goddamn thing. If your African parent didn't teach you and you're African and you're watching this, negotiate. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go grab lunch. I did a walkthrough. I took pictures of things that I need to like take note of, and I'm gonna go grab lunch, go grab stuff to start cleaning. We're probably gonna head to a mattress store just so I can take a look at mattresses because I'm not bringing my old mattress. That mattress is done for. So we're gonna go to a mattress store and see if we can find us something. Moving is not cheap. It's not cheap. Dollars just coming out of my account like it's nuts. Why? It was short. I mean, like, I think I was looking at like around the budget of 800.
Yeah, so
or 6. Oh, it's these ones.
These are lower price down here. Yeah.
Ah. How do you know what works for you?
It sounds dumb, but honestly, just laying on it and whatever's the most comfortable for you is going to be right for your body. That one's a little firmer, and this one's a little softer.
Okay, my back doesn't hurt.
Foot position, it's like you go to sleep.
But like laying for 1 second versus laying for damn 8 to 12 hours, it's different. I like this one.
Okay. There's only one left.
Yeah.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line. Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Imagine you weren't working this whole time. You were recording this whole time.
I am.
Alright! Huh? Under your bed in bags. Moving day.
He doesn't want to hear it anymore. He said, he's going to put my ass on hold.
Yo, fuck these people in Atlanta.
Tomorrow.
Your brother too?
Yeah.
Okay, editing Bertha here. I just wanted to give you a context of like this clip. But long story short, so I had hired movers and remember they told me they were going to give me a cheaper price. These people called me back and I don't know, I think like they started adding extra charges and he was saying like actually this is the amount for a minimum. And so my best friend was antagonizing them and cussing them out. But it was actually funny to watch now looking back. But yeah, that just to give it context of what the heck that whole clip was about.
Okay, he said he's going to investigate. He's going to go through all the phone calls. And I said, the phone call should be recorded, right? Everything should be recorded. So if it's recorded, I want to hear everything. Send me the files. I want to hear what I said, what you said. I have time for that. $200? It's the principal. Even $2.
Oh,
You ruined my day, I'm gonna ruin yours.
you're such a fucking Virgo. It don't even make sense. Like,
Oh, Bertha.
you,
It's the principal.
yeah. Y'all don't have movers.
They don't. They find movers as they go.
They're desperate. That's why he fucking gave me the 10%, motherfucker.
Is that muted?
No, it's not. Oh, it shouldn't be. I don't give a fuck.
It's a recorded line.
Oh, it's muted.
It's muted.
Oh.
Oh, I don't care if it's recorded line. I'm gonna make sure they hear that. You're gonna be exposing me now.
No, I can't. Gay like this. Mom looks like a child. He does a lot.
Anybody, yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to.
This is what happens. Hi, y'all. So today is Sunday, I think July 20th. Y'all. So this whole move situation has turned into me renting a U-Haul. So
At the next lights,
now,
bear left.
I am currently on my way to my house. But we're in a U-Haul. Yay.
It's damn in my heart, it's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line.
Hey y'all, big update. I have just been caught up with moving, but I'm kind of all moved in for the most part. I just gotta clean out my fridge and get like a couple of things. I think one more thing for my old place and we're good to go. Y'all, I'm gonna show you what my place look like right now. Do not judge, okay? We listen and we don't judge. So this is like what everything is looking like. My couch is set up. Shout out to that. I still gotta clean it because y'all when they were moving it looked crazy, but y'all, it looks so cute. It fits the space perfectly. I was kind of scared this was gonna be long, but it actually fits perfectly. Room, I have to set up my bed because I'm getting my mattress tomorrow. So that's the plan tonight, and then I'm gonna try to like unpack as much as I can. So I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do. Also, this is why I said it's really not a good idea to deep clean before you move in, because I literally just brought dirt into my house with all this stuff. You got people's shoes. That literally defeats the purpose of deep cleaning. So what I have planned to do is do like a light clean as I unpack. So I'm just like, if I am putting stuff in a certain area, I'm just gonna clean it up just lightly, unpack, and then my plan is to actually buy some organizers. So that's when I'm gonna do a deep clean, when I start organizing stuff like in great detail. So yeah, that's the plan today. Y'all, I've been moving. It's been crazy, but you know, I'm grateful that I've had a good amount of days off to actually deal with this. But girl, this is a lot and I don't like what I'm looking at. But anyway, I think what I'm gonna do now is I think I'm gonna build my mattress. So let's do that, okay?
You can't even see me. 'Cause 'Cause all that is needed is be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. Fine that you call and you talk to the good girl. I'll see my world with you. You can make some time, I'll be honestly, open your eyes and see. You know you need.
Almost 10 o'clock, and this is how far I got. Honestly, progress, because everything in here is meant for the kitchen, and yes, it still seems messy, but honestly, I can put stuff away tomorrow. This is what the living room looks like now. Still got a couple things here, but I am super proud of myself. Got most of the stuff on the counter. The bedroom looks ready for my mattress tomorrow. Put my vanity and chair over here. Most of my stuff for my closet in here. The bathroom is the only thing that I honestly didn't touch, but we'll get that situated tomorrow. So I am about to hit the hay, but I don't know if I'm gonna end this video here, but if it does end here, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys are enjoying so far this series. I'm gonna make it obviously into a series of getting this place together. This is, like I said, one of my dream apartments, so I am doing my research to buy things to make this place feel like a home, not just an apartment. If this is the end of the video, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Shout out to my gloves. If not, I'm gonna catch y'all later when my hair is done and I look like myself again, because golly, Jesus.
You can't even see me, 'cause all that is needed is be on you.